ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நீங்கள் நம்ம டே 2 ஜார்ஜியாவை சுற்றி பார்க்குறதுல டே 2 எங்கே இருக்குன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா குதாவுரி அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இடத்துக்கு போயிட்டுருக்கோம். போகிற வழியில் பார்த்திங்கன்னா அனானூரி அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கேசல் இருக்குது. சுற்றி பார்த்திங்கன்னா பெருசாக வந்து இந்த அரண்மனை சுவர்கள்லாம் இருக்கும்ல, கோட்டை சுவர்கள் அது மாதிரிலாம் செஞ்சுட்டு நடுவில் பார்த்திங்கன்னா உள்ள ஒரு சர்ச் இருக்குது, ஒரு கத்தீட்ரல் மாதிரி வச்சுருக்காங்க. உள்ளே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கேசல் ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. ரொம்ப ஒரு பழைய காலத்து கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் நல்லாவே பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. இதில் ஹைலைட் என்னென்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, இந்த கேசலுக்கு பின்னாடி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பெரிய ரிசர்வாயர் இருக்குது. அனானூரி டேம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இங்கே ஹைட்ரோ எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி பிளான்ட் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. ஜார்ஜியா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மோஸ்ட்டாக இந்த ஹைட்ரோ எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி பவர் தான் நம்பி இருக்குது. அங்கேருந்து அடுத்தது நம்ம எங்கே வந்தோம்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா கெர்கேத்தி அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இடம். இது எங்கன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மவுண்ட் காஸ்பெக் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஜார்ஜியாவில் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஹையஸ்ட் எலிவேட்டட் பாயிண்ட் இது. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஜார்ஜியா ரஷ்யா பார்டர் கிட்ட இருக்குது. இந்த கெர்கேத்தி மேலே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பழைய சர்ச் இருக்குது. அதுக்கு மேலே இந்த இடத்தோட ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டி எல்லாத்தையுமே நம்மளோட அங்கே லோக்கல் கைடு சொன்னார்.
After May until October we have a lot of places to visit. In 9th century, and after only 300 years they just built this monastery. So this church we have built in 12th century. It's very historical for us. And also this road down there, this is a Georgian military road. From Stepansminda village, it's only like 12 kilometers Russian and Georgian border. So you can visit this border, and it's a very beautiful place. If you like ski, we have winter sports here also. We have a lot of nice places to ski, and in summer we have nice places to ride on a horse or make a bicycle riding or quadro wheels, or make some like off-road jeep tours like here. are paying only 100.
I have iron deficiency.
It will be very sharp.
That is because it is black like that.
What? No. That's why it's like rusted over here. It's not some mold or something. It's rust.
Deficiency.
Girls, our delicious food and first food is hinkali. You know that?
Yes.
The people who take care of sheep, you know, sheep,
Yeah.
they make hinkali. When they were in mountains, like they are going almost like 3 or 4 months like this with their sheep, and in like 15th century they have only flour with them to make a bread. Once this man who is take care of sheep, he said that we can make a delicious food with sheep meat and with bread also. And in 15th century, the first person was sheepman who make this hinkali. So this is our like first food here. When you are coming in Georgia, you must taste hinkali first, and then the other things.
Yeah, we started with hinkali.
Just have it.
We came yesterday morning,
Yeah.
so like the first food was hinkali, and it was delicious.
Good choice.
Yes.
And now they are making with sheep and pork.
Now they are making with everything.
beef and with everything.
Beef, with pork also, with sheep also, with everything, with every kind of meat what we are eating.
Okay.
And also you can make a mix with sheep and pork also, or sheep and beef also. Yeah, and it's delicious. With beef and sheep, it's delicious. It's best mix.
Okay. So the birthplace of hinkali is Georgia.
Georgia, and best place to eat hinkali is in mountains.
Mountains.
Yeah, because when you are eating hinkali in Tbilisi or somewhere in big cities, it means that they are buying meat in a shop or maybe in a market or somewhere else. But when you are buying hinkali here, it means that this is fresh, because our cows and our pigs and sheep, they are growing up in mountains. Now they are eating only grass, and that's it.
Okay.
So it means-
we are on mountains now. So suggest us
Yeah,
somewhere
sure.
like we can have.
I just tell him where is best hinkali here in Tasmania region.
So we are going there now.
It's your choice. He will drive you, yeah.
And what about Kupati?
Kupati?
Yeah.
Kupati, it's
Which
from
place is famous for Kupati?
Samegrelo.
Samegrelo.
Yeah.
Ah.
Kupati is Megrelian food.
Okay. Kupati, Gudauri, etc.
No, Gudauri it's Swanetian.
Swaneti.
Yeah.
Samegrelo, Swaneti.
Samegrelo it's almost like Swaneti, but they are down,
Okay.
and Swaneti it's up.
Okay.
In Nigeria, they have first, when you're going in Batumi, you must visit the fish market.
Okay.
First place. It's my favorite place because they have fresh fish. They are catching fish in early morning, like for 5 a.m. and then they are selling after 6 a.m. and it's delicious. They have a lot of fish and it's cheaper. And also they have behind this fish market, there is a restaurant. You are paying 10 lari only. You are giving them your fish. They are baking. It's perfect place. It's really good place. And also in Achara in Batumi they have a lot of restaurants. And you must taste
Acharuli.
acharuli khachapuri. You know khachapuri? You know khachapuri? What does it mean?
With the egg in
Yeah, it's like a boat and a national bread, Georgia national bread. It's like a boat, and middle of there is a lot of cheese
Yes.
and 1 or 2 eggs. You must taste it.
Yeah, while we are going to Batumi, we will taste that. So thank you.
Thank you. It was an amazing trip. Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome.